Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. Global risk sentiment is mixed क्योंकि कल US stock markets closed lower, but Asian equities are trading higher. Dollar index is trading up thanks to the uptick in the US bond yields. कल ADP job numbers were much stronger than expected और आज the focus will be squarely on the US NFP, which is the jobs data for the month of December. Expectation है कि 2 लाख के आसपास jobs may have been created for the month of December with a strong uptick in wage growth and the unemployment rate remaining steady. अगर strong jobs data होता है तो then that can push the dollar index even higher. Now this is going to be interesting क्योंकि last 3 हफ्ते में जब dollar index was weak, USDINR failed to capitalize on that, or at least Indian rupee failed to capitalize on that and was stuck in a range between 82.55 और 82.95 के बीच, 40 पैसा range on the spot. Now कल उसके नीचे close दिया, 82.55 के नीचे close दिया. So naturally there should be a follow through, but we are not sure why. Because it is happening at a time when the dollar index is showing signs of life. Matlab, dollar index is showing an early sign that it could be bottoming out and about to move higher. So this is going to be interesting. When the dollar was weak globally, Indian rupee failed to capitalize. If dollar is going to strengthen globally, then can the Indian rupee play a catch up? That's what we have to see. But we are not counting much on this breakdown because of this divergence in the theme now globally. But अगर just price action पे focus करें तो 82.60 के नीचे जब तक spot sustain हो रहा है तब तक there is a possibility that yes, we could see a move down possibly towards 82.10. But in case अगर 82.60 के ऊपर जाके ये sustain होने लगता है spot, then we have to assume that this breakdown कल last 2 घंटे का was a false breakdown. And we'll continue to see this range bound trading between 82.50 and 82.95, 83 kind of levels. So the taking a trade, we are holding both. We went short straddle in the morning, the weeklies which we are still holding, and we also took a kind of a hedge with a short futures. Now we have to see whether we continue how we adjust those positions, because depending on how the market moves, agar there is a follow through on the downside, then we would like to add to our shorts, because हो सकता है ये 82.10 और 82 तक जाए. But अगर कोई follow through नहीं हो रहा है, then we'll cut our futures and focus more on selling more straddles or strangles or even iron fly. यहाँ पे iron fly का advantage आ जाता है जो मैंने कल in the audio cast talked about कि जब ये मार्केट फॉल्स मूव देता है आउट ऑफ अ रेंज अप और डाउन, मीन्स फॉल्स ब्रेकडाउन और फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट, वहाँ पे योर स्ट्रैडल्स एंड स्ट्रैंगल्स आर एट द रिस्क ऑफ बीइंग स्टॉप्ड आउट. बट इफ यू हैव अ आयरन फ्लाई विच यू विल होल्ड टिल एक्सपायरी, योर पोजीशन इज हेज्ड. तो हेज पोजीशन में आप आराम से वो पोजीशन को होल्ड कर सकते हो इन स्पाइट ऑफ अ ब्रेकआउट और अ ब्रेकडाउन. और वो फॉल्स होता है देन यू कैन मेक मनी बिकॉज द मार्केट कम्स बैक विद इन द रेंज. So that is the advantage of an iron fly, apart from the fact that the margin requirement is much lower than what you would pay on a straddle. Cross currencies में euro, pound, yen तीनों have seen a pullback after the uptick in the US bond yields. तो आज we can see a more of a range bound kind of a price action हो सकता है. GBP/INR में हल्का सा एक down move रहे, but after the opening we could see a range bound price action in all three currency pairs. Again, the most important data to watch will be the US jobs report, which जो शाम को आएगा, and we'll keep you updated once it's released. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.